Good morning, children. The chapter that we are going to read today is chapter 3 from your textbook, A Country Childhood. This chapter is a short extract from Nelson Mandela's biography. What is a biography? It is an account of someone's life that is written by someone else. Nelson Mandela fought the unjust system of apartheid in South Africa. After a long struggle, the original inhabitants won the right to rule themselves. Nelson Mandela became the first African president of the nation. What is an apartheid system? It is a system of separating people according to their race or color when they are discriminated. The opening of this chapter describes his childhood and his family. His mother used to manage 3 huts. Of the 3 huts, one was used for cooking, one for sleeping, and one for storage. They used to sleep on mats and sat on the ground. And from the very early age, he spent most of the free time in the grasslands playing and fighting with the other boys of the village. When Nelson Mandela grew up, he became the leader of the African people. He was a loving man who made friends wherever he went. This chapter also describes the event why Richard Stengel calls Nelson Mandela a great man. Richard Stengel is a person who worked with Mandela on his autobiography. This event happened on an aeroplane trip in Natal in South Africa. The aeroplane's propeller stopped working, but Nelson remained calm throughout the trip. He never changed his expression. Everyone in the aeroplane was scared. But Nelson Mandela showed courage. He said that courage is not about not being scared, but courage is being terrified and not showing it. And Richard Stengel said that I got courage by looking at him because he was pretending not to be scared, and that's what he did his whole life, and that is what that made him so great. Nelson Mandela died at his home in Johannesburg in December 2013. And before that, he won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1993. Hope you will enjoy reading this chapter about a great personality, and write all the word meanings that are given in the worksheet along with the ones that are given in your book.